I've been painting all day.
What up, buddy?
I still got a second coat to do on over half of it, but I'm taking a break, finish it tomorrow. Looking back, we had paneling on the left side of the kitchen, these dark cabinets, the soffit, all of these lights, track light, a pot hanging rack. It was absolutely crazy. These cabinets used to be over a refrigerator and a stove, and they modified it, and it does not work for me, and it's ugly, and we took it all out. Kevin has done some handy cabinet repair work for me, so I could modify, make it look better, come in with some shelves, and he did it. And I was glad that he did it because it really turned out a lot better than I thought it was going to. Here we're tearing out that soffit, and oh, what a difference. It's like daylight and dark on getting that out. That originally was over their stove, I think. I'm not sure. That was a wall area there, or like an island divider. It was a bar area probably, I don't know. But that thing was covered in grease, and it was nasty. Yeah, getting that thing down. It took a little bit of muscle, but we got it down, and the ceiling, we got it patched up. As you'll see here in the next clip here, that we working on the ceiling, we got it all sanded off, smoothed off, and painted, and it did really, really well. It really did. We were blessed with the help of Mike from Drifting Dreamers 5, and Listen Serenity came. We had chicken and dumplings. Replace the faucet, and it's going to be expensive to get one in this color realm. I don't know if I can find one at the stores. Hopefully I can. But people have been doing this dark with the gold for a couple years now, and I like it. I think I dropped a screw. Yeah, I did. I heard it. You could barely hear it, but I heard it. But I want to get something I like, and this one has a place built in the countertop for the squirter to the side. And so finding that, they're kind of outdated. I mean, I just don't know. Now it's usually the pull down from the nozzle where the water comes out. And hopefully I can still find one with the separate nozzle. The back side of these cabinets don't look too good. My last set I redid, I painted the inside door as well. And I don't know that I've got the oomph to do it right now. We have a lot we want to get done, and right now it's killing me to be inside. I need to be out there making flower beds. I don't have any dirt ordered, but I know what I want to lay out, especially to the side of the house here where I got that big black metal grate thing. I've got that figured out. It's just the doing, the getting it done part. And I may not get everything done I wanted to. I've got to start working on the farmhouse. And I don't know, I said in another video, and I mean it too, that we're gonna get the light in the living room in the farmhouse. And then my plan is to stock it in. Set it up and stock it in with what I've got. Because my tomato plant's gonna be getting ready to sell. I gotta go in there and upgrade their pots right now. They're struggling. They did not like the cold in there. And I kind of let them get dry. And I've got a fan on them now. Try to build them up. I had forgot about that. I saw old John Sherman. Let's see. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's another birthday weekend for Hudson. He turns 5. And we're dragging. We are dragging for some reason. But we did get that finished. And that's finished over there. All this side is finished except for trim. Touch-up paint. Got to do some touching up. Get trim here and around the door and stuff. Pay as we go. It'll take a little while. I've got to get a gold faucet that matches this. Already got it dirty. I know it's still I know it's a mess. But I'm tired. So we'll get wallpaper in the back of this. And wallpaper in the back of that. And then we'll build the wall here. Yep. I like it. I don't necessarily have stuff that goes with it. All the stuff I have is really to sell. Yep. So I've got to work on my mid-century. And here it is. I can't seem to get done. We ran out of wallpaper. But here are the cabinets and the pools. I hate my white appliances. I'm probably going to go with something else. I don't know. I like that. I like it. We haven't got these. You got to countersink the drawers, and my hand gave out. Kevin doesn't want to do it, and I don't want to do it. So It'll get done eventually. And we're still working on the glass doors. They go up here, and the wallpaper's gonna go back here, and the glass doors will go back on. And I really like it. Of course, we're changing the top. It's gonna be a big, thick piece of wood with a natural edge on this side. I don't know what kind of wood yet. We gotta go price it, but that will have that, and so will the other cabinet.
Soft, turn the key and cooler on. This a pause for